What's up, guys? Our topic for today is about factoring quadratic trinomials. Pag sinabi natin quadratic, the degree or the highest exponent of the polynomial is 2. And pag sinabi naman natin trinomial, ibig sabihin tatlo. So a trinomial has 3 terms. Say we have x squared plus 4x plus 3. So this polynomial is an example of a quadratic polynomial since the degree or the highest exponent of x is 2. And trinomial since there are 3 terms. We have x squared, positive 4x, and positive 3. Now, how do we factor a quadratic trinomial? The first thing to do is, syempre maglalagay tayo ng set of parentheses. And then, first, we factor the first term. So for x squared, its factors are x and x. Dito natin yun ilalagay. And then, we skip to the constant which is positive 3. Ang gagawin natin sa kanya is ifa-factor natin siya such that the sum of its factors is equal to positive 4. So for positive 3, kukuha natin yung kanyang factors. Since positive siya, ibig sabihin, yung dalawang factors niya, pareho ang sign. So it's either pareho silang positive or pareho silang negative. Now, since 3 is a prime number, wala na siyang ibang factors kundi 1 and 3 lang. So it's either positive 1 and positive 3 or negative 1 and negative 3. Now, which between these two pairs of factors ang merong sum na positive 4? That is the first one. Positive 1 plus positive 3 is equal to positive 4, while negative 1 plus negative 3 is equal to negative 4. So, ito yung gagamitin nating factors. Positive 1 and positive 3. Now, by commutative property, pwedeng mauna yung x plus 3. So, we can have x plus 3 times the quantity x plus 1. So, kahit alin sa dalawa, pareho lang naman siyang tama. Now, how do we check? So, i-multiply lang natin yung dalawang factors na dapat ang maging sagot natin is the quadratic trinomial. Now, by FOIL method, we have x times x, that is x squared. X times positive 3 is positive 3x. 1 times x, or positive 1 times x, is positive 1x. Positive 1 times positive 3 is positive 3. And then we add the partial products. This one is equal to x squared. Positive 3x plus positive 1x is positive 4x. And then copy or bring down positive 3. Next, say we have x squared minus 4x minus 21. So again, gagawa tayo ng set of parentheses. Next, factor the first term. So we have x times x. And then, negative 21, if a factor natin siya, such that the sum is equal to negative 4. So for negative 21, dahil negative siya, ibig sabihin yung dalawang factors niya magkaiba yung signs. So, one is positive and the other is negative. Or pwede ring negative yung isa is positive. So, unang-una syempre meron tayong positive 1 and negative 21. Or yung 1 ang negative and then yung 21 ang positive. Other factors, we can have positive 3 and negative 7 or negative 3 and positive 7. Now, which among these four pairs has a sum of negative 4? So, for positive 1 plus negative 21, hindi, that's negative 20. Negative 1 and positive 21, that's positive 20. Positive 3 plus negative 7, that is negative 4. So, ito ang may sagot na negative 4. Therefore, ito yung hinahanap natin. So, we have positive 3 and negative 7. Again, by commutative property, pwede siyang maging x minus 7 times x plus 3. Now, to check, last, say we have x squared minus 10x plus 16. So the same procedures, we have x and another x, positive 16. So since positive siya, pwedeng parehong positive, pwede ring parehong negative. So the factors of 16 are 1 and 16. So pwedeng negative 1, negative 16. Pwede ring positive 2, positive 8, negative 2, negative 8. Pwedeng positive 4 and positive 4. Pwedeng negative 4 and negative 4. Okay. Which among these pairs of factors has a sum of negative 10? That is negative 2 and negative 8. Therefore, the factors of this trinomial are x minus 2 and x minus 8, or x minus 8 times the quantity x minus 2. So to check, and there you have it, guys. I hope you can now factor quadratic trinomials. However, not every quadratic trinomial is factorable. Say for example, we have x squared minus 3x plus 6. We cannot find factors of 6 such that the sum of its factors is equal to negative 3. Thank you.